Of course you can if you like. It's your happy birthday.
My birthday present is to get them out.
Okay, let's see the budgies. Have a great birthday. Just one of them. Only one. Only one. Will the budgies come to celebrate Yosef's holy birthday? Everyone, let's see what happens now. Will they come out? Oh, and he's out. Close it. They're out. They don't bite. It's okay. Happy birthday to Yosef. Happy birthday.
To the video of retreats. Welcome, always come down. For us to be incredible, amazing actors. Wow! Incredible. Do you see the budgies?
And the budgies